All right, today is September 10th, and we are gonna start getting pumpkins moved from the field onto a trailer. We're gonna try something a little bit different this year. We got my pickup truck here, and we're gonna take the tailgate off of it and load pumpkins up in the back of the pickup truck that way. So let's drive around to the field and start cutting pumpkin stems. This year's been a big challenge for not only us, but for many people that are growing. We've got a lot of rain this year, and not only has it flooded our crops many times, but we've also lost a lot of crops doing it too. I'm not really sure what to expect this year for pumpkins, but we are about to find out right now. So I've actually already started to cut just a few pumpkins. We're gonna head straight down the row, but we're gonna back up though and load them into the truck as we go. Oh man, we got rocks in here. Just like that, it's clean. Let's get backing up and load these up. The other challenge we're facing too is backing up through here. Not everything is ripe, so trying to dodge the pumpkins that are still green. All right, let's show you what we got so far. And if you look down the row here, there's really not a lot in this row. We've got some left here that we cut, and a couple down here. He's not cut, but realistically, it is a little bit early yet too. It's only early September, and we are trying to get things picked. Also because we're facing bug pressure this year too. We ran into issues with aphids on some plants. Prime example right there. And what they're doing is they're putting a coating on these pumpkins, some of them, and it's making it hard to wipe clean. Here's some more here. These leaves, they almost look like they're dirty, but it's not actually dirt. And that doesn't wipe clean very easily.
Look at that one. That's a big beauty. I think that one deserves to be cut next.
Good boy! It's fun growing them until you realize you gotta pick them all. Alright, so we just got a lot of these cut. And as you can see, we actually got quite a few out here. Not looking too bad. For a bad year, this is actually looking pretty good. We got to really figure out a way to get this back field planted better next year. The water out back, it pulls right along the edge here, and it makes it just hard to plant in. And all right, it's been a few days since we've been out here, but today we are after maybe some white pumpkins, probably some gourds, and just basically stuff that we can put in these bins here, these crates, and bring it uptown to add to our trailer. So a lot of stuff like this here. We got some white pumpkins to pick. We've already got a trailer uptown with just orange pumpkins and just a few basic gourds in one tote. But we got to add quite a bit more to the trailer because if the customer sees that there's a lot of product on the trailer, they're more willing to stop and check it out. All right, let's get some squash here. Kind of got sidetracked here. It's a good looking one, huh? Nice. I think 4 is enough for now. We got mashed potato squash. Let's grab some of that. So for those of you that don't know, this is mashed potato squash, and if you cut them in half, remove the seeds, and throw them in the microwave for probably 3 minutes, you can actually eat the insides of this, and it tastes very similar to mashed potatoes with butter and salt. Very nice. Well, that's it for this episode. I'm gonna get uptown and unload these pumpkins and make my way back home. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.